Hello guys, so welcome to the session. This here is WordPress Pro. So on this session, we're actually going to be looking at how to install WordPress in multiple ways. So we all know that WordPress actually comes with a lot, and as such, there's also a lot of platforms that actually gives you opportunity to install WordPress. So we have Apache, we have Nginx, which are like backend engines that actually helps you to set up your WordPress. And in the installation process, we actually have you can use either XAMPP, WAMP, or MAMP, and you can also use a new platform called Local. So if you haven't heard of Local, is Local WP. Local is one of the easiest way to install WordPress. So this is the platform Local WP. So you can just log on to this website and you can check up about, read a little bit about it, and you can see. So Local is the number one local WordPress development tool that you can effortlessly use it to install WordPress, and you can see that it's actually for free. So you can just download it for free. So you can also get WordPress hosting right there. So if you click on here, it's going to ask you to select the platform you're using. So I'm on Mac, so I can select that, and you need to fill a bit of details. So let's say I'm Frank. My last name is Sap, and a bit of I'm an agency, and you put in some work email or something like that. So yeah, .io. Okay, so let's say that's my email. So yeah, let me put it up here. Okay, so this here is gonna allow you to now start downloading. So you can see from here that is downloading the WP platform, and the installation is very simple and quick to work with. So I've already downloaded this and installed it, so I don't have to go through the installation process. So if after installation, this is what you're going to get. So this here is the the platform you're going to get. So you can see that these are the website I'm working on at the moment, and these are all what you can get when you get local. So let me take you through one by one all the different elements here. So this here is where you log into a local, and over here as well you can see that these are the local sites. So these are the local sites here listed here. That is where I am at the moment. You select this one, it gives you access to connect, so you can connect to start or connect to different platforms. So this helps you to deploy up to 5 times faster with local connect, and this simply connects to WordPress engines or flywheel. So you can see here this is a WordPress engine. WordPress engine helps you get fast, secure, manage WordPress hosting, and the platform also allows gives you powerful or more of the world's top million WordPress sites than all the others. You can also use Flywheel. This helps you to manage your WordPress website hosting. So this is a great platform to use. You can always use it to work on your WordPress. You can also have a blueprint section. I've not used a lot of that, so you can read more about it. You can see what are blueprints. They're going to give you a little bit of information about it. And there's also the add-on part. This is like kind of the library where you can get add-ons from here. So you can see here that you can actually use PHP Storm, Xdebug. You can also add some nodes and all of that. And I think in the future there's even going to be more. So this here is the Atlas engine. So there's a lot, and also there's a section for support. So if you have any problem, this is where you can just go and you can get support for your installation. And you can see that you can also ask the community. So there's a community that you can also go. So you can see these are all the discussions around communities and all of that. So you can also download the local logs to see all the element with reference to your developer. So this is like a pretty cool platform you can use that currently makes WordPress development much easier to go with, and it's one of the things, one of the easier WordPress installation tool that is out there right now you can use. Now, when it gets to actually installing the WordPress, you can see that there is a plus button right here that says add local site. So this will help you to add your WordPress website installation for local host so that you can work on your WordPress locally before you move it online. So let me show you how you can go through that. So when you click on that, it's going to give you this page. This page, let me make it a bit bigger so that you can see it well. So this is where you can now create a new website. So you can see here is pin up a new WordPress or headless website, WordPress website. You can also use create from blueprints to start a new website with pre-installed elements from plugins and themes. That is so cool. You can just get on the themes that you already have and put it on there, and you're good to go. So you can also select an existing zip or drag your files from, maybe if you have an old website and you're trying to import it to a new or redo it, you want to work on it again, you can just import it here and you can start working on it. That is how cool it is. So you need fast, free way to create zip. You can also use Stride or WP Migrate, which will help you migrate your website to a hosting platform. So this is how cool this platform is. So let's go here and start a new website. And now let's click on continue. Now it asks us to now put what's your website's name. So let's say my website's name is web. All right. So there's also an advanced features over here where you can actually select, put in the local site domain if you have one. You can also here browse on the site path, the local path where your site domain is at. So you can also do that, but when you do that in this searching. So now let's click on continue, and it comes to preferred and custom. So you can see down here that there's a PHP version and there's a web server in Nginx. There is a MySQL version 8.0.16. This is the current version of MySQL. So it gives you this. So if you prefer this, you can just go through that. If you want to customize, you can just select and customize it. You can then go on to PHP, then you select the versions you want, and you can go on to the server side to either select Nginx or Apache. Apache is very common, so if that's the one you've been using, you can just select that. But this one I'm going to go to Nginx. Nginx is a bit faster, so well, that's my opinion though. So I can select that. And MySQL equally, this is the current version. This is the old version that's also supported. So if you want to use that, you can just download it. Click on it to download, and you can use that. But I'll go with preferred because that is easier way to go. So just select on preferred. And now I can put in the username. So to make it simple, I'll just make the username root, and I'll make the password as well root. And the email, you can put in your local email here, but I'm just going to leave it like this because this is our initial tutorial. So you can see that the advanced version is also here. So is this a WordPress multi-site? So if you want to build a WordPress multi-site, you can do that, and you can have subdirectories, you can have subdomains. You can do that if that's what you want to do. If not, you don't need to go through this section. If you install a single WordPress website, then you can just click on add site, and you can see how fast it works, and it's just processing the WordPress website. So it's going to install the current WordPress existing what do you call it, default theme. It's going to install the default theme for me right now. So after it is done, you're going to see all that that went into working on WordPress. So this is going to take a few minutes, and the installation is going to complete. So you can see it's installed the WordPress website, and it's going to gather all the files that is required for the website to be ready. So you can see, bam, that is how easy it is. So this here is the simple way how I just install a WordPress website without going through any hassle. How easy it is using local. So it kind of does all the details at the back end for you. It kind of go through all the different installation process for you, and you don't have to basically do anything like that. So now you can see from here that I see we have open site and WP admin. So this if you want to open to the back end, you can click on that. If you want to go to open the site, you can do so. You can see here that stop site means here the site is started, and I can just click on open site, and I can see the site. So this here is my website, and you can see that I just installed the 2024 themes for me, and this is my WordPress, and I'm just ready to start working. So see you on the next video where we're going to actually look at how to build the version of going to start editing the website in full. Okay,